Hello students, welcome to my channel and you are watching the Ultimate English Teacher and Lecturer. Today in this video I will discuss about the talking about the text of the story We Are Not Afraid to Die If We All Can Be Together. So listen it very carefully. We are not afraid to die, talking about the text. Question 1. What difference did you notice between the reactions of the adults and the children when faced with danger? Answer. There is a lot of difference between the way in which the adults and the children reacted when faced the danger. The adults felt stress and circumstances but prepared themselves to face the danger. They took sufficient precautions to protect the ship when the rough weather began. They equipped everyone with lifelines, waterproof clothes, and life jackets. Larry and Herb worked carefully, cheerfully, and optimistically for 3 days continuously to pump out the water from the ship. Mary replaced the narrator at the wheel, and when the deck was smashed, they steered the ship. She also savored the meal, and after the 2 days of struggle against odds, the narrator again promised his role and captains the courage and determined resourceful full responsibility. He undertook repair work and provinces apparent and directions needed to protect the ship. He also helped steering the ships toward the island. The children suffered silently and patiently. Sue did not want to bother her father with her troubles. John acted courageously. He was not afraid to die if all of them perished together. Question number 2. How does the story suggest the optimism helps to the endure the stress? The story suggests that optimism certainly helps to endure the direct distress. The behavior of the four adults during crisis bears it out. Larry Vigil and Herb Segler were two crewmen as mighty waves smashed the deck. Water entered the ship through the holes and openings. Right from the evening of January 2, Larry and Herb started pumping the out water. They worked continuously, excitedly, and feverishly for 36 hours. It was a result of their continuous pumping that they were reached the last few centimeters of water on January 4. They remained cheerful and optimistic while facing extremely dangerous situation. The narrator did not lose his courage, hope, and presence of mind while facing problems. He did not worry about the loss of the equipment. He used whatever was available there. His self-confidence and practical knowledge helped him to steer the storm reach the Amsterdam Island. Mary stayed at the wheel for all those crucial hours. She did not lose hope or courage either. Question number 3. What lesson do you learn from such hazardous experience when we are face to face with death? Hazardous experience may bring us face to face with death, but they impart us many important lessons of conduct. Life is not always a bed of roses. We must react to dangers and risks with patience and fortitude. Adversity is the true test of character. The purity of gold is just by the putting it in fire. So the hazardous experience bring out the best in us. Coward persons die many times before their death. Fear is the negative feeling of leads of inactivity and object surrender to circumstances. Such sailors or soldiers lose the battle against the odds in life. On the face, and their sterling caring attitudes inspires others also to face the adverse circumstances. Why do you think that people undertake such adventurous expeditions in spite of the risk involved? Man is adventurous by nature. The greater the risk, the more the thrill. The thrill exploring unknown lands, discovering wealth, beauty lying hidden in far-off lands, inspires brave hearts to stake their life of rest and repose. Perhaps they value one crowded hour of glory more than and prove the fatal. The failures of some persons don't discourage the real lovers of adventures. They draw lessons from the shortcomings and errors of others, make fresh oneself and circumstances, and overcoming the odds. The success of adventurous expeditions brings name, fame, and wealth. History books replete with accounts of famous explorers like Columbus, Vasco da Gama, Captain Cook, and Captain Scott, etc. So student, please subscribe the channel. Don't forget to push the bell icon. You will get the next videos very